This weekend we are in Germany, halfway from the 2015 season. Nürburgring is most of the time one of the most important races because every driver dreams to win in Nürburgring. Most of the sponsors are there, the manufacturers are there, and everybody is in tension. At the moment, Norbert is still in the lead, and really in the lead, but don't forget that Adam Latsko on frontliner Bugira is just behind him, but also many other drivers. What about the German driver? Jochen Hahn, Rainer, Steffi Alm, Helen Lohr, all would like to win in Germany. We will have a good competition and a big fight on the track, for sure.
Yeah, so far so good. It's actually it's our first race victory here ever. So it's also just like in Nogaro, it's a very good feeling.
It was okay. Colbert was driving very good and he keeps second place, David third, so I'm happy, very happy for the team because we need these victories.
Truck racing is a very good competition, but not only. Truck racing is also a very good platform for the sponsor and the partners. Look the example of Nürburgring. Everybody is there, the manufacturer, but also the supplier, the industry. Everybody wants to be there. Why? Because we can meet the customer. We can have a business around truck racing. Look, for example, Iveco or Mercedes. They are here to present new products, but they can meet the customer. They can also study the customer. It's a very important platform, and for sure, they use it very well, and Nürburgring is one of the best examples.
No, I was quite lucky at the start. You know, I was braking normally. Adam was braking a little bit later than me again and tried to go for the outside, I think. But I was I had the most luck.
I think the race is perfect. I have a very good start from the first place. After the first corner I'm on the first position, and after I go to the front more and more.